Number 20 on the algebra worksheet. Same thing we're going to be doing is getting everything over to one side of the equation. I'm going to start by adding 12v squared to the right hand side to make that cancel to a 0, and add 12v squared to the left hand side. So negative 9 plus 12 is 3v squared. I'm going to add 5 to the right to get that to cancel. So add 5 to the left. Negative 23 plus 5 is negative 18. And then I had a positive 3v that I didn't touch. And on the right hand side, this equals 0. Identifying my parts, the 3 in front of v squared is a. The positive 3 in front of v is my b. And the negative 18 at the end is my c. I'm going to show you using this as two equations because of the plus or minus. I'm going to do one equation with negative b plus the square root and another equation with negative b minus the square root, because that's how I'm going to type it into the calculator. So x is equal to negative b, which is the opposite of b, so negative 3, plus the square root of b squared, which is 9, minus 4 times 3, which is a, times c, which is negative 18, all divided by 2 times a. 2 times a is 6. So that's going to give me something over 6. Going over to my calculator, negative 3 plus the square root of the b squared value, 9, minus 4 times the a value, 3, times the c value, negative 18, gives me 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So that's one solution. X equals 2, or in this case, v equals 2. I'm going to do the same thing with the other equation. So that means v equals negative 3, this time focusing on the minus the square root. 9 minus 4 times 3 times negative 18, all over 2 times a, which is 6. It's going to give me something over 6 again. So negative 3 minus the square root this time of 9 times 4 times 3 times negative 18. And I realized I did 9 times 4 instead of 9 minus 4. So I'm going to fix that. So b squared minus 4 times a times c is negative 18. Negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. So those are my two solutions for this equation.